just like that, a new free course video in the Discord. Oh, would you look at that? A future millionaire. Oh, that's what's up. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to see. Hey man, welcome to the video. If you don't know, who am I? I'm a day trader and it's currently Saturday. So you may wonder, what the hell am I doing on Saturdays? Well, let me take you in this life and I'm just gonna reveal the truth. No, I don't gotta show you my highlights. I don't gotta show you no BS. I'm just gonna show you the reality, okay? So someone asked me the other day, yo, Adriel, what the hell are you doing on weekends as a trader? I was like, okay, look, man, I asked him, okay, are you profitable? He said no. Then I said, like, okay, then all you have to do is develop your edge in the markets. Pause. Develop your strategy in the markets, okay? Develop your strategy in the markets. Fix your psychology. It's like basketball. Think about it. Basketball, you need a lot of practice to be better, okay? Boxing, you need to get better, okay? That's how it goes. And learn from the right person. Backtest, do whatever it takes, okay? But also, I want to give you another source of, point of view. If you're profitable, all you have to do in the weekends is never stop learning, never stop grinding. I just recently finished up this one book called The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. It's not a sponsorship, just me being real. I finished that book. Guess what he told me in the book? He said, like, even though you make money, you always gotta be a lifelong student. Why is that? Why is that so important? Because just think about it. Us humans have the ability to get access to someone's whole life in a book. Okay, you think about it. It can be a multi-billionaire revealing his own life to you, revealing it, that all the strategies that he did, all the trials and errors, so you can learn from his mistakes or her mistakes, and you can get the access to it without you going through it all yourself. But obviously, when you read books, when you get knowledge, remember to actually put that knowledge towards your goals. Do not just enjoy learning, okay? You can enjoy learning, but do not just be, okay, I learned and I'm gonna just continue with my day. No, actually put that towards your goals, okay? Put that work in after that. And also, back to the topic, if you're profitable already, what to do on weekends? It's currently Saturday. You can produce whatever. Develop a new skill, but only if you're profitable, only if you master trading already. Just look at me. I'm recording videos, bringing value, making sure that you will actually learn something from this, gain value. And that's what's up. Just when I started trading 3.5 years ago, I wouldn't do that because I was unprofitable then. But now that I've been profitable for 1.5 years, I can do that because I know how to day trade. And what else is there to do on weekends? Produce, I can read books. I'm currently reading this one book. Just think about it, bro. Develop yourself always. And I'm gonna hit the gym too really soon. So, staying productive. Weekends should not be a day off, okay? Because weekends is what keeps people weak. Think about it. Weekends. Think about it, bro. I just made that shit up, okay? I never heard somebody say that, okay? Man, that's what's up. I'm producing. But you know how it goes. It's currently about to be 3 p.m. I know, kind of late. But it's weekend. I'm still producing. I just finished up editing one video. I'm about to read some book now. Then I'm gonna hit the gym. And just a chill day. Calm day. Super calm day. But yeah, man, that's what's up. I'm gonna update you guys really, really soon. And my bad for the lighting. I forgot to turn my lights on before I started recording this video. But welcome to another point of view of a profitable day trader. All right, bro. I'm gonna hit the gym now. Push day. Probably the best day in the gym, I go like. And then I'm out also do some cardio after that. No days off.
Attention. The fire alarm has been activated. Await further instructions.
Yo, man, what's good, man? So, I just came from the gym. Actually, not just. I didn't just came from the gym. I'm gonna be honest. I ate some food. It's currently 9:30 p.m. in my country time. I know. You may wonder, like, what the hell happened, bro? How is it already that late? Because I told you I kind of skipped some time. Okay, I skipped some time, but I did do a bunch of stuff today. I did do. Did do, not didn't do, did do. Okay. And you know how it goes, regardless, kind of chill day. Chill day. I ate some food, I ate some chicken, pasta. And after the gym, took some creatine, you know. Creatine, had a crazy gym session, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If you manage to find a gym that has a sauna, bro, it's worth it, bro. It's worth it because sauna, if you know what is sauna, it's like a hot freaking big ass box that is fucking hot, okay? You go there, take a cold shower, you go again, and then you could take another cold shower and get the hell out of there. Bro, the feeling is crazy. The feeling is crazy. Regardless. I don't know. Maybe not in every gym is a sauna. But if you do manage to find one, bro, it's worth it. But yeah, man, regardless, you see it's weekend. It's not a day off for me. Okay, like I told you in the beginning, weekends keep people weak. They literally keep people weak. I understand. Like, you probably had a rough day, rough week at work, rough week at school, but what you gonna do about it? Like, let's be honest, like, for real, like, if you do want to achieve your goals, okay, then you gotta just work more. You have to lock in. You gotta show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. I've said this many times, but it's absolutely true. Okay, be relentless. Okay, just action. Because thinking about your goals isn't gonna get you towards your goals. It may give you an idea. Okay, and also gaining knowledge. It's helping you to get to your goals, but it's not moving the player on the board. It's not moving you, like actually moving you. It's giving you the resources. But you taking in action it's the thing, okay? It's the thing that moves the freaking player on the board, okay? It's the thing. You have to take action, show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Okay, that is how it goes. That's how I turn profitable in trading. Because, I've been trading for, like I told you, I don't know if I said it in this video. I think I did. If you don't know, I've been trading for 3.5 years. I was unprofitable for 2 years. Now I've been profitable for 1.5 years. Profitable, making money. But it took a lot of determination. Okay, I was at one point flipping burgers. I was flipping burgers to grow my live account. Okay, I didn't have to go to work at 9 to 5, but I wanted to. Obviously, I quit the job already. I don't work there anymore. All I do is day trade. But I used to do that just because I wanted to fund my live account, because I was serious. And I moved the player on the board, and now I'm profitable. Okay. Obviously, the flipping burgers didn't make me profitable. What made me profitable was me showing up every single day. I was trading Forex, GBP USD, GBP JPY every single day. Sometimes gold. Every single day I show up to the markets. London session, New York session. Okay, that's how the shit goes. Nowadays I trade, indices, stock indices, stock index, SPX, NAS 100, or NQ futures. That's the same thing, or ES futures. But you know how it goes, bro. Lock in. If you're not a trader, if you're watching these videos, if you're watching my videos because you want motivation to see me being productive, me giving you the motivation, innovate. If you're a dropshipper, that's cool. Show up every single day. I have a friend who does money dropshipping. I have a friend who does money trading. I make money trading. Guess what? Guess what they all have in common? They move the player on the board. They move without second questions. Okay, they move. Okay, obviously I may have days where I don't feel like it, but I move the player on the board. Okay, I show up with these videos. And that's the shit that, like, literally, if you're a user, bro, this also moves the player on the board. I record videos, I post them. Consistency. Now I understand it's hard. Yeah, you have some homework, you have some school. But again, do you really want it? Do you want to achieve your goals? That's the question. All right, man. That's the point of view of a trader on weekends. Okay, if you made it this far, comment down below. Value. And, you know, that's the way I know, okay, you're actually serious. You made it this far. I'm proud of you. But, you know, join the free Discord, get the free course, free sauce. All right? And as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.